Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. Today I've put together these nice words in a presentation that I've learned from my mentor back 2015. I hope you'll enjoy it. Have a clear vision of the future you want to create. Never complain about anything you can't change or unwilling to change. Learn something new today that will take you closer to your goals tomorrow. Break a sweat every day through physical exercise, as this unlocks great ideas, creativity, and genius. Give away that which you want to get more of. Don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. Simplify everything. Don't settle for good enough, but strive to achieve excellence in everything you do. Don't be busy, be effective, efficient, and productive. Take responsibility for everything and be in control to make things happen. Never ask or expect anyone to do anything you are not willing to do yourself. Success is your responsibility, as you are destined for greatness and you can achieve anything you put your mind to. Welcome back, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I will put in the description box these 12 attributes so that you can print it out or write it down and keep watching and reading it daily, because it will be so good and will help you a lot in your online business. Please subscribe, please comment and DM me, and I will see you very soon.